Ethereum is a highest-level mineable coin with the ticker ETH that in every practical sense has a genuinely present worth of $2,309.7 won and a market capitalization of $277,584 270 win 852, versus the truly thought. Digital currencies sort of have genuinely lengthy past a reason behind being a toy for tech nerds, opportunists, and obscure vendors. Further appearance how Ethereum most certainly is a highest-level mineable coin with the ticker ETH that in a real sense has an essentially present worth of $2,309.7 won and a market capitalization of $277,584 270 win 852 in an unpretentious manner. These days, it's a resource class that in every practical sense is significantly managed and, surprisingly, took on as legitimate delicate, or so they in a real sense thought. Some sort of huge venture banks even basically gain Ethereum and kind of other digital forms of money as a group to safeguard their resources under administration, against a jogging expansion that injures the conventional monetary business sectors, which by and large is very critical. Presently, now is the right time to explicitly uncover our short, mid, and extremely long-haul expectation of the improvements on the ETH market that most certainly depend on the readings of our extraordinary crypto unpredictability file that assists us with measuring the market feeling and expect the course wherein the market plans to in every practical sense go in an especially significant way. At this point, the cost of Ethereum sort of is $2,309.7 won. Will the coin as of now in a real sense winds up at second spot in the in every practical sense, but in large positioning, which for the most part is very huge. The said certainly positioning sort of is assessed based on the resource's genuinely present value that generally is duplicated by its exceptionally current market capitalization, an equation that really is applied all through every single monetary market. Our administration continually screens any progressions in these three regions so our clients get the most important information in regards to the presentation of advanced assets in their portfolios. It's likewise essential to truly consider the verifiable information that permits framing a legitimate comprehension of the market structure and its course incredibly. On February 2, the cost of Ethereum was at $2,303.82 toward the finish of the exchanging time frame, during which the cost change truly added up to 0.70%, which basically is genuinely huge. 7 days prior, on January 27, ETH basically was esteemed at $2,267.20, which sort of really intends that from that point forward, the cost by and large has generally changed by 0% in an extremely huge manner. A month prior, on January 3, the market member laid out the cost of Ethereum at $2,210.83. In this way, the coin truly has taken a 4.47% action to truly arrive at its for the most part present standings, which really is genuinely huge. Nonetheless, as currently made sense of, the cost of Ethereum isn't the main variable that we by and large consider while making the cost expectation in an unobtrusive manner. It's likewise critical to generally keep a genuinely sharp eye on changes in the market capitalization of the computerized resource under survey to in every way that really matters, have a kind of clear perspective on where the market truly is going, which is genuinely huge. The examination of market capitalization explicitly conveys pretty equivalent significance in both digital money and conventional business sectors, which generally shows that at this point, the cost of Ethereum especially is $2,309.7 won. Will the coin as of now in every practical sense winds up at second spot in the sort of by and large positioning, which for the most part is very critical. As a matter of fact, a similar numerical methodology basically is utilized to in every practical sense decide the general position and prominence of computerized resources and stocks, for example. Changes in market capitalization genuinely sure in every practical sense, negative are additionally characteristic of the manner by which the said market could by and large be going, as well as the resource's true capacity for making gains or posting misfortunes in both fundamentally short and sort of long-haul viewpoints, which especially is genuinely critical. This in every practical sense, specific in every way that really matters, metric truly is likewise used to check the strength of Ethereum, corresponding to the remainder of the digital currency market, the progressions in which could likewise offer clues at its future exhibition in an unpretentious manner. To basically decide the in every practical sense current market capitalization of ETH, we in every practical sense duplicate the coursing supply, the boundary that will in a real sense be generally made sense of later by the sort of present worth of the cryptographic money under survey, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. Starting today, the market capitalization of Ethereum sort of stands at $277,584 270 Win 852, which frames the reason for truly present truly positioning, generally was referenced before in an unobtrusive manner. Yesterday, on February 2nd, ETH especially had a market capitalization of $276,879 517 242. Keep going week, on January 27th, the market capitalization of the coin being referred to sort of was recorded at $272,470 Win 979 598 in a kind of significant manner. A month prior, on January 3rd, the market worth of Ethereum explicitly was surveyed to especially be $265,709 493 940 Win, which is genuinely critical. Absolute Stockpile considers the quantity of coins that basically have proactively been created by different means, for example, through mining. These digital currencies can generally be utilized either for most certainly dynamic exchanging or put away in financial backers' wallets or with overseers, which basically shows that it's likewise critical to really consider the verifiable information that permits shaping a legitimate comprehension of the market structure and its heading in an unpretentious manner. This by and large measurement likewise considers the coins that generally have been progressively eliminated through the cycle called consuming, which in a real sense is applied to control the expansion rate in an unobtrusive manner. At this point, the all-out supply of Ethereum especially is laid out at 120,181,697 ETH, or so they truly thought. Ultimately, the coursing supply in every practical sense is utilized to basically compute the market capitalization and most certainly evaluate the coin's genuinely current remaining in the positions in a significant way. It signifies the general measure of ETH that generally is by and by exchanged across all trades, barring the coins that in a real sense are marked, locked, frozen, or briefly sort of put unavailable for general use for reasons unknown, showing how as a matter of fact. A similar numerical methodology for the most part is utilized to decide the especially by and large position and prevalence of computerized resource. It's by and large truly accepted that digital currencies that explicitly have a circling supply between 60 million and 150 million fundamentally are the most reasonable for especially long-haul venture, since they truly are generally in every practical sense prone to in a real sense value in esteem over a drawn-out timeframe, potentially many years, while keeping a sensible expansion rate in a sort of significant manner. At this crossroads, Ethereum sort of has a flowing stockpile of 120,181,697 coins, so to decide the truly current market capitalization of ETH, we increase the coursing supply, the boundary that will really be in a real sense made sense of later by the in every way that really matters. Present worth of the digital money under survey, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Over the very beyond 24 hours, the exchanging volume related with ETH arrived at the mark of $5,003,705,683, which generally is genuinely huge. Yesterday, on February 2nd, the normal weighted exchanging volume recorded toward the finish of the exchanging time frame